Hey guys, Texas Garden Guy here, and today we're going to plant some jalapeno peppers. This is my new Garvee cedar raised bed. I love it. Just got it filled up and assembled. Let's get these peppers planted. I bought a 6-pack because usually you save a little bit of money buying 6-packs of plants rather than individual pots. The trick is getting them out without destroying them. So you want to push up from the bottom, squeeze and push. I've even cut the bottom out before they're rooted. But boom, look at that. Got a nice plug. We're just going to space these out the best we can. I'm going to do all 6 in this bed. We'll probably zigzag them. So I'll do like 1 here, 1 there. So this is, I believe, a 6-foot bed. They got enough space, and it's pretty deep too. So I'll have plenty of space to grow. Get this one here. Trying to get these out without destroying them. I have 1 here, and then 1 right here. Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Love it. What we got here is some Genesis transplant mix from Nelson Plant Food. That's going to help with transplant shock. I love it. I also went ahead and I pre-watered the soil. It was a little bit dry, so you'll have a better success rate with stuff not having transplant shock if you pre-moisten the soil before you plant. And then afterwards, we're going to be adding some vegetable garden food from Nelson Plant Food on top. This is going to go in the hole, and this is going to go on top. Boom. Dig my hole, sprinkle a little bit of Genesis in there, and plant my plug. Sprinkle the Genesis in the bottom. Plant the plug, cover it up. Good to go. All right, I'm gonna do 1 here. Pack it in. And then boom. All right, gonna go ahead and I'm going to top dress with the vegetable garden food. And I'm always surprised at how well peppers do in containers, especially here in Houston. Peppers do really, really well in container gardens. Like I said, I'll probably have to come back when they get a little bit taller and stake these up. But for now, I want them to kind of be on their own. And, you know, a little bit of wind, a little bit of a breeze is kind of nice. If you can let them stay unstaked, that way they can kind of become stronger on their own because of the wind. So I know this whole bed is jalapenos, so I'm just going to put the label right here. And I'm going to come back and water this in the morning because the soil is already moist. Don't need to water it right now, but looking forward to an awesome spring pepper harvest. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Boom, boom, boom.